Hi, my name is Christopher Forstier, and I'll be discussing the rebranding of the careers of Richard Sherman and Adrian Peterson. I did this through a website that I created. You can see at the top, we have our homepage, the clock, which we will talk about. Talking about Richard Sherman, and he's got a drop down of his big incident that occurred and then how he could rebrand. And then we have Adrian Peterson with the same deal, his child abuse, and then his rebranding afterwards. And then something I wanted to touch on, which is the Man of the Year award. So let's start with the Hall of Fame or bust. When college football players become members of the National Football League, they have many dreams and aspirations, but one undoubtedly sticks out above the rest. Being able to don a golden jacket and being immortalized with a bronze bust in Canton, Ohio is without a doubt the pinnacle of a fantastic NFL career. The recognition for being one of the greatest football players to ever play in the NFL is achieved through the recognition of its members and sports writers who record the sport's great achievements. Still, great achievements alone do not always guarantee a player entrance into the Hall of Fame. Sometimes their behavior both on and off the field can affect their ability to reach Canton. The two examples of players that I will be discussing in this video are Richard Sherman of the San Francisco 49ers, formerly the Seattle Seahawks, and Adrian Peterson, who is currently not on an NFL roster, but is best known for his time with the Minnesota Vikings. Both players are arguably two of the best players to play their positions in the last 10 years, but both players also had incidents that could leave them falling short of Canton's halls. It is the purpose of this video to look at the incidents that took place for these two players and see what can be done to help them repair their brand, also that they can hope to enter the Hall of Fame.